Hey guys, LJ here, and I wanted to share with you this little mini screwdriver kit I picked up on Amazon the other day. We have already used it for a couple different uses, and it is an option for a ton of uses. All kinds of mini electronics, glasses, watches. We've already used it for repairing a watch and repairing a handle on a little pocket knife. This has come in very, very handy, and it has so many different options that you can use this for. All the attachments and a couple other things added in here. Now, the screwdriver itself is just this little, very nice little handhold. I love the shape of it. It just kind of gives it a nice grip. It's just got a little few edges on there. It's not just a smooth round. You have forward and backwards on this guy, and then you have a button here that turns on the light. I'll probably turn the light off. There's the light. Hopefully you can see that. Now, if you hold this button down, you actually get the lights there on the end, and it'll start blinking, and that is changing the level of torque on this guy. I initially thought that that was the level of the battery. It is the level of torque on this guy. It is, so you have 5 different levels, I believe it is, of torque that you can change. Now, I did read some reviews. We haven't had trouble with the torque yet. I did read some reviews that it can be a little weak on the torque, and you may have to actually, in some cases, get to turning it manually with your hand. Now, this is for mini electronics. There may be a few things where if it's really tightened in there, you might have trouble with it. Again, the few things we've used it for so far, we've had no issue with the torque. Been very, very happy with it. The ability to go forwards and to go backwards, been great. The different attachments have been great for us. Again, for watch repair, for the knife repair. I think we used it for a keyboard the other day as well. So we haven't used it for a ton of things, but we have used it, and I love all the options that you have. The different shapes of the heads. You have the normal Phillips head. You have the hex heads. You have the flat heads. You have, looks like some triangles, some squares. I mean, just a whole plethora of options there. Now, it comes with a little pick here that helps you get these things out of here. If you're like me, and it can be kind of hard sometimes to reach in there and get a hold of them, this little pick helps with that. It does come with some very nice, very fine point tweezers. These have worked very well to reach in there and get things out of little tight crevices. And it also comes with this little tool here. Haven't had to use this one yet, but it is in there, and it tucks in nice into this case. And then these guys, this little tweezers tucks in here as well. Let me get that back in there. No, I've got them stuck. Okay, sorry about that. Took me a while. Now, it also comes with a magnetizer and a demagnetizer. I haven't had to actually use this, but if you have a need for it, it does come in the case. It doesn't fit into this little case that I can see. It just was in the box. You also come with a suction cup thing here that has your SIM card ejector little tool on there. So that comes in the case as well. You have a magnetic measuring little pad here, magnetic pad here that's got your measurements on there, magnetic on the back. It does not attach to this case in any way, but it is in the box with it, and you come with a charger. Very easy to charge this. Now, the thing that I found so nice about this, so it fits very nice into this tool, into this case, and then I put the little pick there, and then we can slide the whole thing into this case. It has just a push and it clicks. I love that. And then you push to unclick it, and it'll just pull right out, and I just dropped the little pick. The one thing I love about this is that you can keep it all nice and secure in here, and you can still charge this USB-C while everything is nice and secure. So you can keep everything in the case, and you can still charge the tool, and then it's ready to go. You don't have to re-put everything in the case when you're ready to go with it. It's already ready to go on its way. I have been very, very happy with this. Again, we've used it for a couple different things already, and it has come in very handy. It's been very nice. We haven't fully tested out the length of the battery on it because we've only used it a few times, but the battery has been great for us. The torque has been just fine for us. That did have some mixed reviews in some of the reviews that I read. So far, we haven't had an issue with that. So I can't really speak to that being a problem for us. I think this is a fantastic kit. We've been very happy. I would recommend it. I hope this helps. I hope you're having a great day, and thanks for watching.